Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about Gal Gadot and Natalie Portman. Why both actresses are on trending in Twitter. So let's check it. People are comparing Gal Gadot and Natalie Portman after her comments on violence in Israel and Palestine. Gal Gadot has been receiving criticism on social media after leaving users disappointed by her comments on ongoing violence between Israel and Palestine. The actor, who is Israeli and served in the Israel Defense Force before becoming a Hollywood star, posted a statement to Instagram and Twitter saying her country was at war and calling for Israel to be able to live as free and safe nation. Thoughts not mentioning Palestine by name, Gadot's statement also urged for Israel's neighbor to be given the same opportunity and called for peace on all sides. However, many disagreed with Gadot's words and used the stance of fellow actor Natalie Portman, who is also an Israeli actress, to criticize the Wonder Woman star. In her own response to the escalating violence this week, Portman shared a post by Viola Davis spreading educational resources about crackdowns on protesters opposing plans for forced evictions of Palestinians in Sheikh Jarrah, a neighborhood in East Jerusalem. In the past 24 hours, both stars have been trending on Twitter as people compare the two responses. One user wrote, Natalie Portman is also an Israeli actress, but she has posted in support of Palestine, while Gal Gadot, Wonder Woman, is still praying for Israel. Israel deserves to live as free and safe nation. Seriously? Another wrote, the difference between Gal Gadot and Natalie Portman, both Israeli actresses, is so astounding. Portman has been a vocal critic of the Israeli government under current Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu for several years and has previously taken to social media to speak out about what she is described as racist nation-state politics promoted by those in power. In 2018, the Oscar winner turned down Israel's prestigious Genius Prize, saying the mistreatment of those suffering from today's atrocities is simply not in line with my Jewish values. She added, because I care about Israel, I must stand up against violence, corruption, inequality, and abuse of power. By comparison, Gadot's comments have been viewed as excusing and even justifying the actions of Israel's government and security forces, which in the past week alone have led to the death of at least 67 people in Gaza. The Guardian reports several Israelis have been killed in the violence. In a tweet, activist Aaron Wally said Gal Gadot's statement is far worse than the tone-deaf Imagine video from last year's Free and Safe, the same state that is perpetrating military occupation, land theft, and ethnic cleansing against the people of Palestine.